Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I am Namita Mane. In today's video, let us solve the second example of final account of cooperative society. So this is the example of final account of cooperative society. The question is, from the following trial balance of Pune People's Cooperative Credit Society Limited, Pune, as on 31st March 2022 and other information, prepare profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2022 and balance sheet as on that date. So this is the trial balance of Pune People's Cooperative Credit Society. So we have to prepare what? We have to prepare profit and loss account and balance sheet as on 31st March 2022. So this is the particulars, okay, and amount is given in debit side and credit side. So like in trial balance, share capital, cash in hand, cash at bank, fixed deposit, reserve funds, members deposit, office furniture and so on are given. Okay, and there is additional information like adjustments are given that authorized share capital of society was 10 lakh rupees divided into 1 lakh shares of 10 rupees each. Then second adjustment is interest due to members deposit amounted to rupees 5,000. Third adjustment is interest accrued due but not received was rupees 2,000. Next is salary due but not paid was rupees 300 rupees. Then there is depreciation of 10% on office furniture, audit fees. Then directors made the following appropriation for the year 2021. The directors made the appropriation. First is dividend at 5% on paid up share capital. Second is addition to cooperative development fund rupees 3,000 rupees, and last is directors propose 5% dividend for the year 21 to 22. So these are the adjustment, and above with the is the trial balance of Pune's People Cooperative Credit Society. Now first of all, what we have to do, we have to first mark the entries, okay, in which account, particular account the entries goes. Okay, we have to post the entries in profit and loss account and balance sheet. So first of all, the first item is share capital called up and paid up. So this will go in liabilities. Next is cash in hand. Cash in hand is assets. Cash in hand, asset. Cash at bank, assets. Fixed deposit with Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank, rupees is 1,55,000. So this is also assets. Then reserve funds rupees 50,000. So this is liability. Member deposit is 22,47,750. So member deposit is liabilities. Office furniture is 7,000 and office furniture is assets. Interest on deposit 80,000 rupees. Interest on deposit, the amount is in debit side, that means this is expenditure. Then interest due on loan 8,000 rupees, this is also expenditure. So particularly this is a hidden adjustment of interest on deposit, so tick mark. Next is salaries and allowances expenditure. Salaries and allowances is 30,000 rupees. Office expenses 5,000 rupees, it is expenditure. Printing and stationery rupees 400, expenditure. Traveling and convenience 600 rupees, expenditure. Insurance premium 1,000, expenditure. Contribution to provident fund 2,000 rupees. This is also expenditure. Then loan due from members, rupees 30 lakh rupees. So this is assets. Dividend paid is liabilities. We will mark in liabilities, though it is in debit. The amount of dividend paid is in debit, but we have adjustment on dividend. Like directors propose 5% dividend for the year 2021 to 2022. So we will mark this as tick mark. Okay, at last we'll solve the dividend paid adjustment. Next is dividend equalization reserve, 18,000 liabilities. The amount is in credit side. Now see, first of all, how to understand that this particular item is we have to post in asset side or liability side or expenditure or income side. Now see, the amount of the entries which is given in debit side, it will go in either in asset sides or in expenditure side, and the amount which is given in the debit side, in the credit side, it will go in liabilities or in income side. Next is staff provident fund. Staff provident fund, 20,000 rupees. So this is liabilities. Then profit and loss appropriation account, balance as on 1st April 2020, that is 11,000. This is liabilities. Then profit for the year 2020-21, this is previous year profit, that is 60,000. So this will go in liabilities. And remember one thing, this is previous year profit. So in reserve funds, we have to transfer 25% of profit of previous year to reserve funds. Okay, so we have to add we have to find 25% on 60,000 rupees and transfer it to reserve fund, and this entry will come in liability side. Then interest received is 1,78,000. 1,78,000. So this is interest received, so income. Commission 4,000 rupees, income. Sundry income, income side. Sundry income is 300 rupees. Cooperative development fund, liabilities 2,550. So we have marked all the particular items as per their headings, as per their heads in which account they belong to. And now we'll move to the adjustment. First adjustment is authorized share capital of society is 10 lakh rupees divided into 1 lakh shares of 100 each. So this will come in share capital in liability side. Now interest due to member deposit amount to rupees 5,000. So interest deposit we have already marked. Now for every adjustment there will be two effects. So first effect of second adjustment will come in expenditure side, second effect in liability side. Third is interest accrued due but not received was rupees 2,000. So in this adjustment is on interest received. Okay, so first effect in income side, second effect in asset side. Fourth adjustment is salary due but not paid was rupees 300 rupees. So salaries, on salaries and allowances we have adjustment, that is outstanding salary. So salaries first effect in expenditure side and second effect in liabilities. Depreciation on office furniture, so first effect in asset side, second effect in expenditure side. So tick mark office furniture. Next is audit fees due unpaid for the year amount to rupees 3,000 rupees. Now in trial balance we did not get any audit fees, but in adjustment they have given audit fees due unpaid. So there will be two effects, one will come in expenditure side and second effect will come in liability side. Now directors propose the following appropriation for the year 2021. So dividend 5% dividend at 5% on share paid up share capital. So on share capital there is dividend, that is on 7,50,000 we have to find 5% dividend. Okay, and then and how much dividend is paid, and remaining balance will be called as unpaid dividend. Next is addition to cooperative development fund. So first effect will come in liabilities and second effect will come in liabilities only. So addition to cooperative development fund, tick mark. On cooperative development fund there is adjustment, and directors propose 5% dividend for the year 2021. Same, in liabilities only we have to do this adjustment. Okay, so I hope you have understood the question properly. Okay, now we will prepare profit and loss account and balance sheet of Pune People's Cooperative Credit Society. Okay, so this is profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2022. So in the books of Pune's People Cooperative Credit Society, in this way you have to prepare the profit and loss account, expenditure side and income side. Then you have to prepare balance sheet, okay, liabilities and asset. In my first video or in my first lecture on the topic final account of cooperative credit society, in that lecture I have explained you the format of profit and loss account and balance sheet. So you can refer to that video or that lecture to understand that how to prepare profit and loss account and balance sheet of cooperative credit society. So now first entry as per the question is share capital. Okay, share capital called up and paid up. So this will come in liabilities. Amount is rupees 7 lakh rupees. Amount is 7,50,000. So in balance sheet first write share capital, authorized capital, that is 10 lakh shares, sorry 1 lakh shares of 100 each. So amount is 10 lakh rupees. Okay, now share capital, issued and paid up capital, 75,000 shares of rupees 100 each. So amount is 7,50,000. So first entry of share capital you have to note down in liability side. Okay, under share capital, that is 7,50,000. Next is cash in hand assets. Cash in hand amount is rupees 3,600. So in asset side, cash in hand rupees 3,600. Okay, after that cash at bank 14,000. So cash at bank, asset side, cash at bank 14,000. In asset side, cash at bank 14,000. Next is fixed deposit with Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank, that is 1,55,000. So this entry will come in asset side. So under asset, in investment, write fixed deposit with Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank 1,55,000. So now there is no adjustment, so write the amount in outer column 1,55,000. Next, reserve fund. Reserve fund is rupees 50,000. So reserve fund you will write in liability side. So under reserve funds and other funds, reserve fund is 50,000. Now in this 50,000, as I said that previous year profit is how much? Previous year profit is profit for the year 2021 amount is 60,000. On this 60,000 rupees you have to out of this 60,000 rupees, 25% of profit you have to transfer to reserve fund. So add 25% profit of previous year, that is 2021, 25% on 60,000. So you get the amount 15,000. So this 15,000 add in 50,000. So total will come 65,000. Okay, so 50,000 plus 15,000, 65,000. Okay. After reserve fund, member deposit liabilities 22 lakhs 47,750. So this will come in liability side under the heading deposit, member deposit, and write the amount in outer column 22 lakh 47,750. After member deposit, office furniture is assets 7,000 rupees. Office furniture assets. Now in fixed asset, write down office furniture rupees 7,000 less 10% depreciation. Calculate 10% depreciation on 7,000. Amount will come 700. So 7,000 minus 700 in outer column 6,300. Now the second effect of this depreciation will come in profit in expenditure side, in profit and loss account, in expenditure side under depreciation on fixed asset, that is furniture 10%, 700 rupees. Clear? Now after office furniture, next entry is interest on deposit rupees 80,000. So this will come in expenditure side. So interest on deposit, interest on demand 80,000. Then add the hidden adjustment, that is interest due on loan 8,000 rupees. So add interest due on loan 8,000 rupees. So 80,000 plus 8,000, 88,000. Now we have adjustment on interest on deposit. So the adjustment is interest due to member deposit amount to rupees 5,000. So this 5,000 you have to add in interest on demand. So interest due to member deposit is 5,000. So 88,000 plus 5,000 total is 93,000. Now this 5,000 second effect will come in liabilities over here. Interest due on member deposit 5,000. Now next is salary and allowances 30,000 rupees. On salary we have adjustment. So salary due but not paid was rupees 300 rupees. So first effect will come in expenditure side. Salaries 30,000 plus outstanding salary due 300 rupees. Then 300 rupees plus 30,000 plus 300, 30,300. Now second effect of this 300 rupees will come in other liabilities. Sorry, in current liabilities and provision, saying that salary due but not paid 300 rupees. Next is office expenses. Office expenses is expenditure 5,000 rupees. Now in expenditure write office expenses 5,000 rupees. After office expenditure expenses we have printing and stationery. Same, this entry will also come in expenditure. The amount of printing and stationery is 400 rupees. Printing and stationery, see in profit and loss account expenditure side, printing and stationery 400 rupees. 400 rupees. After printing and stationery, traveling and convenience 600 rupees expenditure. So traveling expenses 600 rupees. Then premium, insurance premium 1,000 rupees expenditure. So insurance premium 1,000 rupees. it will come in profit and loss account in expenditure side as insurance premium 1000 rupees. After insurance premium, contribution to provident fund 2000 rupees. Contribution to provident fund is expenditure. So in expenditure side, write down contribution to staff provident fund 2000 rupees. In outer column, there is no adjustment, so write in outer column. After contribution to provident fund, next entry is loan due from members. Asset side, amount of loan due from member is 30 lakh rupees. So in asset side, write under the heading loans and advances, write loan due from member 30 lakh rupees. Next is dividend paid, that is 35,000. Now see, dividend paid will come in liability side. Okay, in liability side, see here, unpaid dividend. Now what is the adjustment on dividend? That is directors propose 5% dividend, okay, on share capital. So share capital amount is how much? 7,50,000. So on 7,50,000, okay, there is 5% dividend directors has proposed. So proposed dividend 5% on 7,50,000, that is share capital. So on 7,50,000, 5% is 37,500. 37,500, and out from this 37,500, the dividend is paid rupees 35,000. Okay, so less this 35,000 from proposed dividend. So less dividend paid 35,000. So remaining balance will be called as unpaid dividend, that is 2,500 is unpaid dividend. Now the second effect of this proposed dividend on proposed dividend 5% on share capital, that is rupees 37,500, will come in liability side under the heading profit and loss account in profit appropriation. So you have to reduce this proposed dividend from the profit appropriation. So 37,500. So clear about the dividend paid adjustment. I hope you have understood this entry. Now next we'll move to dividend equalization reserve 18,000. So this entry will come in liability side. Dividend equalization is reserve, so it will come in liability side under the heading reserve fund and other fund. So dividend equalization reserve 18,000. Staff provident fund liabilities 20,000 rupees. So staff provident fund 20,000 rupees in liability side, 20,000 rupees. After provident fund, profit and loss appropriation account balance as on 1st April 2021. So amount is 11,000. Now this will come in liability side, means it will come in balance sheet liability side under the heading profit and loss account. So write profit and loss appropriation 11,000. Then in this you have to add the next entry, that is profit for the year 2021 rupees 60,000. So add profit for the 2021, that is previous year 60,000. So total will come 71,000. After this, interest received. Interest received is income. So the income is 1,78,000, and on this interest received we have adjustment. Adjustment is interest accrued due but not received was rupees 2,000 rupees. So in profit and loss account in income side, write interest received amount is 1,78,000, add interest accrued 2000. So total will come 1,80,000. Now the second effect of this 2000 will come in asset side under the heading other items. Interest accrued due but not received 2000 rupees. Clear? The first effect and the second effect of the adjustment number 3. First effect in income received add, and the second effect of this 2000 rupees will come in asset side under the heading other items. Next is commission. Commission is income rupees 4000. So it will come in income side. Commission 4000. After commission, sundry income 300 rupees. So this is also income, but sundry income is a miscellaneous income. So write under the heading miscellaneous income, sundry income 300 rupees. Next is cooperative development fund. Liability side amount is 2550. On cooperative development fund we have adjustment. So adjustment is addition to cooperative development fund rupees 3000. So this will come in liability side under the heading reserve fund and other funds. So cooperative development fund rupees 2550, addition is 3000 rupees. So total will come 5550. So second effect of this 3000 will come under profit and loss appropriation. Okay, so now we have posted all the entries, okay, of trial balance in the respective account under the respective heads also. Okay, now what is remaining? The remaining is the tally part. Okay, now one thing is remaining about the profit and loss appropriation. Okay, so as I said that profit and loss appropriation amount is 11,000. From this add, in this add profit for the previous year, that is rupees 60,000. Total is 71,000. Now the second effect of this dividend, okay, first effect we did in unpaid dividend, the second effect of 37,500 we have to less, okay, so 71,000 minus 37,500, total is 33,500. Okay, now next you have to reduce cooperative development fund. So here in reserve fund and other funds, the cooperative development fund was rupees 2550. In this we did the addition of 3000. The second effect of this 3000 will come in profit and loss appropriation. Over there you added, okay, now here you have to reduce 3000 rupees. So 33,500 minus 3000, the remaining balance is 30,500. Now then less 25% profit transfer to reserve fund. So in reserve fund, okay, reserve fund is 50,000, and in this 50,000 we transferred last year 25% profit, amount is 15,000. So this first effect we did in reserve fund and other funds. Now second effect of this 15,000 will come in liability side but under different head, that is profit and loss. So less 25% profit transfer to reserve fund 15,000. So 30,500 less 50,000, balance remaining is 15,500. Clear? Now all the entries, all the adjustment along with the second effect we have solved. Now the tally, the profit and loss account, check whether there is net profit or net loss. So add the all the amount which is given in the outer column, okay, that is credit side. So total will come 18,43,000. Okay, next debit side difference. Okay, so whatever is the difference between credit side and debit side, if credit side is more than debit side, so that is net profit. So net profit carried to balance sheet, the difference is 48,300. So this 48,300 we have to transfer to balance sheet under the heading profit and loss account in this. Okay, add profit for 20 21, 2022. This profit is current year profit. So 48,300 is the current year profit. So 15,500 plus 48,300. So total is 63,800. Okay. So now close the balance sheet. So profit and loss account we have closed. Both debit side, expenditure side as well as income side is same. Now tally the balance sheet. Check liability side and asset side whether they are same or no. Now in liability side we do for the total, for the calculation no need to take the authorized capital amount. So take the share capital amount. So 7,50,000 plus 65,000, 18,000 plus 5,550, 20,000 plus 20, 2,47,750, add 3,000 plus 300 plus 2,500 plus 5,000 and add 63,800. So total is, or the total of liability side, so total of this liability side is 31,80,900. Now the total of assets, so add all this amount, 3,600 plus 14,000 plus 1,55,000 plus 30 lakhs plus 3,000, 6,300 plus 2,000. So total will come 31,80,900. That means both liabilities as well as asset side, both the amounts are same. Okay, so in this way you have to prepare profit and loss account and balance sheet of Pune's People Cooperative Credit Society. I hope you have understood this example. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notification.